Justine, we're both awake.
I am not.
Don't you feel like the day should just have nap times
Yes.
built into them?
I've been napping the last 2 days. Hey, it's Justine and this is Rose!
Hey, how you guys?
We have made so many videos together in the past, so if you haven't checked out Ro's channel, be sure to do so. I'll put all of her links in the description, but today, Ro, I brought something very, very fun. This is Hot Wheels Rift Rally, so basically, this comes with a car, and you use an iPad or a PlayStation, and using augmented reality, your virtual track. So this car will be driving around, and you'll be able to see the track on your iPad or on your PlayStation. It's so cool.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna be honest, 100%. Justine explained to me what augmented reality was, because I was very confused.
I mean, I'm sure you've experienced augmented reality, like things like Pokemon Go, where you're not necessarily taking yourself out of the world, it's sort of just adding things to the world. So virtual reality headset, you can't see anything else.
Right, like you have the Oculus on. You're in a totally different space. I've done that, and I didn't realize that augmented reality was like we're putting things in your reality.
So we're gonna turn your house into a Hot Wheels track.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited
Me
for
too.
this. Okay, what kind of car do we get?
I don't know.
There's all these cars on the box. How do you know which one we get?
Well, because you can actually make your car look however you want in the game. Yeah. So the car will look one way to you, but then
So ours is gonna look like a clunker, a
Yeah.
robot, and then we can pick in the game what it looks like.
yeah. Here, could you just hold that right? Okay, there we go.
Let me get this is like a big shoebox.
So we need to download the app. So I'm gonna be playing this with my iPad. Here's our car!
Okay, that's not bad looking.
No!
That's like really cute.
There's a little camera.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
So you may have seen they came out with a Mario Kart version of this as well. So it's a very similar thing. But now it's for Hot Wheels. We've got all kinds of little accessories. We've got a charging cable.
Look at this.
Yeah, I don't know what those are yet.
Ta-da! What are these? Are these stations or laps?
We're gonna find out.
I don't know. Oh, I got lipstick on your box.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, it's just gonna drool. All right, what else do we got here?
The signs.
Oh, it drives under it?
I don't know yet.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Oh, I did it.
Oh!
These go on the bottom.
Oh yeah, look at our checkpoints. We're set. So now we're gonna download the app and then we gotta connect our car to it. Okay. Whoa!
He's so cute.
Your Chameleon is the last car you'll ever need because it can simulate the look and feel of any other car. So we can make this look like anything.
Love it. So it's gonna change its characteristics
Yeah.
based on which one we pick.
Yeah!
Whoa.
Let's browse the cars. So it looks like none of them are unlocked yet. Oh wait, they're gonna give us some bits to start our collection.
I like when he gives you things, he turns green. Like he's like, I'm generous.
Look what we got. This is the Bone Shaker.
I love it.
It's so nice. I think we're ready to play.
I'm ready.
Okay, the campaign map. Each node on the map is a challenge. Okay, we gotta point the car towards this QR code. We've got a full battery. Okay, we're establishing our connection. Launch activity. So we gotta set up some stuff. Oh my God, he's moving. Oh geez, look.
Whoa.
What a messy room. Okay, whoa, we gotta set these up.
Look, you can see Schmidt.
I know.
Hey, Schmidt.
Look,
Hey,
there's
Mike.
our car.
This is cool, you guys. So in person, this is cardboard, right? But in the game, it's like this cool, look at this. You set it up.
I know. Maybe we'll just take it for a quick spin here and see what happens. Okay, here we go.
Oh, I can't wait. Okay.
Go ahead and drive and get the feel of it. Joystick, okay.
Oh my gosh, you drive it from this?
Yeah.
Okay.
So here we go. Oh,
It's going. It's
it
going.
is going. Okay, he's going straight.
Well, we can go straight.
Oh! He went into
fell
the
in the
sink!
sink.
He
I'm
went
so
into the sink.
sorry.
That's okay.
I
can see you. He pointed at your face.
Hey! Can you see if I have anything in my teeth from lunch? Justine, it's turned red. Is this
He's
bad?
mad. He's
He
mad.
doesn't like that. Okay.
Okay,
oopsie,
we
sorry.
gotta reconnect him. Okay, so we figured out the mechanics. Now I think we need to make a little track.
Wait, there's a loop
We can
around my
do-
living room. We
That'd
could go
be great.
the loop.
Okay, let's do it. So we've got our track all set up, and I also customized the car. You can add different color appearances. So look at this, we can do different colors. I'm kind of feeling the pink.
Ooh, me too. Oh
And
yeah.
then we also have performance, so you can tune different stats. So I have turned the top speed all the way up and our acceleration.
Yep.
Let's do this. Look, there we are, there we are.
You can see us. Oh my, let me wave to our car.
There it is. Here we go. Okay, so if you tap, there it is. Okay. We got
Perfect,
a point.
perfect,
Here we go
perfect.
for number 3.
Go, little car.
Oh my gosh, the dogs are losing their mind. Okay, so it does go over carpet. Wow, this is fun. Okay, here we go. Through number 4.
Yes, yes. And you can see the dogs losing their
And
minds in
then-
the office. They're so excited.
We go back through number 1. Okay, do you want to try it?
Yeah, I want to
Okay,
try. I'm so excited.
this goes and this turns.
Watch the screen, don't watch the car.
Don't watch the car.
Oh no, Justine, I missed the checkpoint. Oh,
okay, you
I
turn
missed
back
the-
around.
I'm gonna go- Mike, open your legs. Mike, open your legs.
Whoa!
Oh, you're messed up. Michael, move your foot, Michael. Michael, I can't get through. Michael, you stepped in front of me, I think.
Beep beep.
Off road.
Oh!
Oh shoot! Wait, reverse.
Yep,
reverse.
Yep.
Okay, okay. Oh,
It's saying hold gas and brake. Gas
aren't you
and
not
brake?
supposed to do that when you're driving?
Yeah, I
Don't
don't
hit them
know.
both at the same time.
Gas and brake?
Okay, I'm gonna try it. Ready?
Okay. Whoa! It revs it all up. Maybe back him up.
Okay, I'm gonna back it. I'm gonna back it up.
Okay, there we go. Whoa! Oh my God, he's going so fast.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna.
Whoa! My God, he's going so fast, dude! He's like picking up so much speed.
Oh, we're going. We're going. Woo, woo, woo.
I love that we're doing this like a tag team now. Like you're driving
we're
and I'm
good at this.
steering. This is so fun.
I'm full speed.
Okay, now when we turn around this corner, when we get to 1, let's do the gas and brake again.
Okay,
Oh, he's
ready,
picking up so
ready?
much speed.
Right after we go through here,
Yeah,
right?
okay, yeah.
1, 2.
Oh! I think we did a pretty good job. Let's see if there's another activity we can do. We get to build our first track. Well, we thought we did.
I thought we had done
did
that, but I
as
guess
well.
this was the stunt driving.
Yeah.
Right? Oopsies. Okay. Well,
Okay,
we already
track
got the
building. We did all of this already. We're ahead of it. So this is our track.
Oh my gosh! Look how cute this is.
Okay, so we're at gate 1. We're ready. Oh, you know what I have to do? Okay, I have to tap here. I have to tap
Ready?
Okay, here we are. This is epic. Drive through the gates in order. The path you take will be the track for upcoming races and challenges. So it's actually going to be our track now. No, wait, look at this.
This is cool.
This is so cool.
They added a ton of graphics.
Yeah,
to
look at this.
This is really cool. Oh.
Whoa. Okay.
This looks awesome.
Here we are.
Oh,
look at the graphics.
It's all different colors, and it's like you're breaking glass when you're like driving
Yeah.
through them.
Here's gate 3.
Satisfying. I love it.
Oh, no! Here's gate 4.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Okay, look up at, oops. I just ran into our dude. Oh my goodness. Okay, okay. So look up at the top, it's creating the track. Do you see it? We did it. So now look at that. That's so cool, like that's our track. Okay, so now we're gonna test out one of the courses. So we defined our track and the augmented reality, as you can see, it's turning all of the different gates into like different themes.
Oh no, I'm not ready. Justine, you got this. Here, I'm
Oh.
here for moral support. Yes, yes.
Here we
yes.
go, here we go, here we go, look.
You got this.
I
Oh,
can't
3,
believe
2, 1,
there's
go.
there's other people on our track.
Oh, and I love it. They have the outline of the
Yeah.
track, and they try to stay in it. Oh, look, they have little bumpers. That's kind of
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
They don't.
You got it. You
Oh,
got
no.
it. You got it.
Oh,
Oh no,
no.
a chair. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no, oh no.
Oh, no. Yes.
I'm trying so hard to stay on the track.
Oh.
I got this. Oh man, so close. I'm stressed.
You can catch him. You can catch him.
Do you want to drive the last one?
Oh yeah, this is victory lap, baby.
Victory lap, you got this.
It's like hit everything in sight. Oh, I missed.
Well, you missed the gate.
What happens when you miss a gate?
Just keep going. That's
I think
fine.
you know what. You just keep going.
Yeah.
You're just gonna keep
You're
going.
doing very well.
Oh, I'm just pedal to the metal. I'm just hitting accelerate at this point. Oh, okay. We're ready.
Wait, maybe it's 7 laps. 4 of 7.
Okay, this is an endurance thing. This is endurance. Oh yeah.
You
that
got this.
red car just pushed me.
We don't like
I'm
them.
feeling kind of offended.
It's so funny how boring this looks in person.
But it's so fun.
It's epic on the actual screen.
Yeah, it looks so cool. Oh, whoa. Oh, too sensitive, too sensitive. Oh, what have I done?
You're almost there. Get to that. Get through.
I'm supposed to go through the gate.
Oh man, there's one more. Last lap. This is it.
I got this. This is a long race.
This is such
and
a
I'm
long
pretty
race.
sure the other cars have. Oh no, there they are.
I think they're going backwards because they're
Are
like,
they taunting me?
they're like, we already finished a long time ago.
Rude. This is my first race.
Finish. Finish.
We've done it.
We came in second.
How did we come in second?
I don't know. 'Cause we were honestly tragic.
I'm actually really into this. This is cool because one of my favorite video games is Mario Kart.
Yes.
And it has some really cool things that are similar.
There is a Mario Kart version of this. Yes.
Are you kidding me?
No, there's a Mario Kart, there's a Luigi car, and you guys can play together. So
Okay,
it looks
love
like I know what I'm gonna be bringing over next time I come over.
Yes, and let's set up a track not on the carpet.
No,
Yeah.
this is gonna be serious. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and be sure to go check out Rose's channel, and of course, hit the bell to be notified when we
Ding.
both post new videos. See ya!
Bye. I made a bell noise for you.
That was so good. A little sound effect.
Why
Oh
would
my
I
gosh.
do that? You were
How
like,
funny.
and the bell, and I was like, ding!